Hitting the UPS, you're gonna dig this. I got like 5-6 packages going back to Amazon. Trying to figure out what works best with this little rig setup, blue-blobber. They all fit on the bike. I mean, we're not bringing back a piano. There you go. There's a surfer way out here. How is it, brother? Look at this bad boy. That thing's badass. That's bad, dude. Whoa, whoa. Use a bucking Bronco. Use a bucking Bronco. Beautiful California sunny day. SoCal. Let's give it a little juice. No Shaka for you, but he can't see me anyways. I'll see red lights flashing, time to retire. And then we turned the liquor store into a structure fire. Next spot, we headed for the music show. It only took one brick to make that window drop. I better not sing too much, huh? Demonetize my video. It ain't about wheelies, I'm sorry, man. I love those guys though, dude. I'll be watching wheelies all day. But sometimes you just cruise. We're cruisers. We're not wheelie artists. I've done a couple wheelies in my lifetime, but I don't live in a wheelie stance. I had a friend of mine, he said he wheelied so often one time he burned his bike up, didn't get oil to the motor. This guy lived in a wheelie. I just think that oil pump was bad. Slow down, son. Where's the fire at? Look here, look here. How is it, brother? A bicycling brother. Woo! Every once in a while, you gotta air out the britches. Air them out, baby. Woo! Watch out, coming through. What was that noise? What was that noise? Der Wiener Schnitzel. Ja, I'm getting the hungries. I think today maybe I'll fast all day. What do you think, fellas? You guys ever do those fasts? I usually do once a week. I try to do once a week. I ate vegetarian for a year. I gained 20 pounds after that. That was last year. But I didn't lose any weight. You ever notice vegetarians? They're not really skinny. I got this theory. I don't think vegetarians are necessarily the best for the world. And here's why I say that. I'm not against it. All I'm saying is that when you're a vegetarian, you're eating all the plants. We need those things to breed. When you're eating animals, we don't necessarily, I mean, for the ecosystem we need them, I get it, but they everywhere. You know, you ever stepped in a pile of trees? I don't think so. I've definitely stepped in a pile of animal dookies. When you step in tree droppings, it's just leaves. It's just fall. Those are seasonal jokes. You step in a pile of animal dookie, people judge you. That guy don't wipe his butt. I definitely do. Not just with paper, baby. You definitely need to be using those baby wipes. If you ain't using baby wipes, you wrong. I don't think they've ever had a clean booty. And here's why I say that. Because take a steamer right on your dinner table and then just wipe it up with paper towels. Don't put no chemical to it. No enzyme, nothing that smells different. I mean, you drop a green bean on that, you done, son. Don't do it. Don't eat it. It's a 0-second rule. A no can do. We at the barbershop, baby. Best barbershop in town. They got 2 locations. Oh, Hana Barbershop.